Good morning and happy day 16. I'm all snuggly and I pretty much wear this jacket, like blanket jacket, all the time inside the house, especially because I don't want to put the heat on. I just think it's really not that cold here to put the heat on. I did cave last night just to take the chill off of the air in the house, so that's why I'm always all snuggly. But let's go ahead and open the advent calendar. I can't believe we're on the second to last row before Christmas. Okay, day 16. Oh, what is this? This is actually a little cable wrap, so you can like keep your earbuds or your phone for like your charging cable for your phone all nice and tucked in. And it says techie stuff on it, and it's rose gold. It's so cute. This is from Charming Charlie's because Mama B and I picked some stuff out at Charming Charlie's before putting it in the advent calendar. So if you're curious, I think that's so cute. And if you were like curious what I meant by that, just like this, holds your cords together so they don't get jumbled and tangled everywhere. Pretty awesome. All right, let's also open the Atelier advent calendar. So we're on day 16. I bet you guys spot it before me. I see 18, 17, seriously? Where is 16? I know it's, oh, there it is. I was like, I know it's early in the morning, but geez, can't even. Okay, we have another perfume today. This one is, what does that say? Grand Nero. It smells a little patchouli-like, so not going to be a fan of that one, I can tell. So let's go ahead and close that right up. But so far, I really liked all of the scents that I've tried from this advent calendar. It's pretty awesome if you want to like be able to try a lot of different ones from the brand. Sorry, I'm not even pointing this toward the right way. By the way, Chris brought me some beautiful roses yesterday, and I forgot to show you guys as kind of like, you know, a sorry for last night having to cut our date night short. They are so beautiful. He also got me this little buddy. He's so cute. The thing is, though, he is the softest thing ever. Like this fur on him, oh my goodness. He's so soft, and he has buffalo check, a little buffalo check scarf on. Yeah, pretty stinking cute. I'm getting everything together to do a big load of laundry. I even got the sheets in my hands. And probably gonna wrap some more presents later too. Bake some goodies today. So let's get started. Clean sheets on the bed, check. Last load of laundry going in, check. All right, now I'm going to be making some eggnog cookies. I have never made them before. This is the first year I'm gonna make them. I've got my KitchenAid mixer all ready to go, and these are the ingredients you'll need, but I will make sure to leave the recipe again on my blog. So you're gonna need cinnamon, nutmeg, some rum extract, salt, sugar, 1 egg, some eggnog, half a stick of butter, some baking soda, and some flour. Since I'm doing this one-handed today, you won't see me scraping the butter, but I will. We're taking the 1 stick of melted butter, and I will get all that goodness in a moment here. And then we're gonna take a, oh goodness, I almost spilled my sugar. I am not right-handed, so that shows right now. I'm gonna put the full cup of white sugar into here, and then we are going to blend this until it's nice and white and fluffy. Mix in 1 egg here. I'm also gonna put in a teaspoon of rum extract. And then a half a cup of eggnog. Smells amazing. So I just poured in here 2 3/4 cup flour, teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of nutmeg, and we're gonna combine that all together. I'm going to gradually incorporate my flour mixture into my wet batter here. And the reason you do this a little slower, I know most of you probably know, is because you don't want flour getting everywhere, especially when you're using a mixer like this. So you do it on a low speed, make sure it gets all nice and incorporated, and just add it until it's completely gone. So then in a small bowl, I have a half a cup of white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And you're gonna roll your dough into like a little 1-inch ball. And then you're gonna roll the ball entirely in this mixture and set it on your cookie sheet with parchment or a silicone mat. And you're gonna put this in your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. So the recipe called for this eggnog icing drizzle. I put them on the first batch, and I just don't like how they look. And I don't really think that it adds to the taste of them, so I'm gonna skip on that. These cookies do definitely hold their shape, as you can see. They're kind of just those round little pudgy cookies. These are eggnog Snickerdoodle cookies. I don't know if I said that earlier. So because after the first round, I noticed they came out like that, after I rolled them in the dough, I did press them down on the cookie sheet. That way they have just a more like rounded cookie shape instead of like a little dough, a little dough ball like these look like. So I had to get rid of my first batch, just toss them because I didn't like that icing on the top of it, so I don't suggest doing that. I definitely just suggest leaving them plain, and I do also definitely suggest pressing them down so they cook a little bit more evenly. It has more of like a cake-like texture in the inside, like a cakey cookie. It looks really beautiful. I did take a little bite, and I don't feel like they're super eggnog tasting. I do get a hint of it. They are a nice cookie, but I don't love them, but we'll see what the family thinks. I'll bring them over to the family tomorrow.
Oh my goodness, you guys. It is coming up. It looks huge in this stage because it is. Oh my goodness.
We're having spaghetti squash tonight. How'd you do that, Dad? You just scraped it with the fork?
He put it on, he cut it in half, took out the seeds, put it on top of the grill and cooked it for 20 minutes. And now...
Mom made some sauce over here, like she would for regular spaghetti.
So Mommy
Here's
made
what it looks
spaghetti
like.
sauce.
It really looks like spaghetti. Yummy. We're gonna put some of this cheese on it too. All right, date night part 2, because Chris and I are gonna go to the movies tonight. I have this torrid jacket on, and then just a black shirt underneath, and some hoops. And my makeup is just, don't even look at it because I had to touch it up from earlier. I've been doing a lot today. So, oh Lord have mercy. No. Okay, we're gonna go to the movies now.